Miss E.T. Namdeo. Have you ever stopped to wonder how your voice travels through a phone to someone miles away? Or why post always seems to land butter side down? These everyday moments might seem ordinary, but they're actually packed with extraordinary science. Every day we witness tiny miracles, lights turning on because of the switch, rainbows after the rain, even popcorn popping in the microwave. But behind each of these wonders is science quietly working its magic. To celebrate the science behind everyday miracles, let's welcome Miss E.T. Namdeo.
So I would like to imagine, so picture this. You so picture this that you are in a very lovely garden. Picture this. You are from a very lovely garden. And in this garden you see all sorts of miracles happening there. But then you see a eye-catching rainbow. This is a very special rainbow, and you are almost about to see the formation of this rainbow. And then there is a sudden clap and a boom. You wake up from your sound sleep, seeing your room all weird, mother making breakfast, father reading a newspaper, and it takes 5 seconds of me to understand this was an ordinary dream. So, as this was an ordinary dream, doesn't it make you wonder what was the science behind everyday miracles in this dream? So, hello everyone, my name is Iti Namdev. I am from Inspiring 7D, and today I am going to decode all the truth about the science behind everyday miracles. So, you might have wondered this, and if you are confused, I would like to tell you and answer some of these questions to make you understand this topic. First, have you ever seen a rainbow drifting upon a sky? Have you ever produced sound and it had echoed? Have you ever seen a shooting star shivering in the sky? So, this all is all the miracles you've seen. So, if you think this is so much scientific, I would like to add fun facts in some of the terms I have discussed. So, let's begin. With no further ado, I would like to start with rainbows. So, rainbows are the formation of light when light is dispersed into the common components of colors like all the reds, violets, yellows, greens, and blues, forming a typical rainbow. For the fun facts, rainbows are actually full circles, and a rainbow. There are also symptoms of moonlight rainbows where there is a change between sunlight and moonlight. Rainbows are optical illusions, not a thing we could see and touch. So, if I talked about rainbows, I would like to talk about echoes now. So, over here, I would like to change the bit of the topic in rainbows to echoes. So, instead of discussing the science behind the echoes, I would like to discuss the ancient Greek mythology about the echoes. So, over here, echoes are typically the mountain nymph that is Hera, which is known as a god in the Greek mythology. So, from a person. So, Hera gives this curse to the echo that an echo could repeat the last words spoken by a person. So, now, in fact, if we go to a hill station, we shout something, it echoes us back, just because this is known in the Greek mythology. So, echoes can be heard 0.1 seconds after giving the original sound. And we all know that the science behind the echoes is that it reflects from the surrounding factors. So, if I'm talking about echoes, I would like to talk, and if you remember, I was asked a question before in the beginning that it is about have you ever seen a shooting star shimmering in the sky? Well, about shooting stars, I would like to talk about shooting stars. So, shooting stars is a great example, and these are not everyday miracles. We see them rarely, and many of you haven't seen them in a while. Some of you didn't even see them, but you all know the name about shooting stars. So, turns out shooting stars are actually meteoroids. They are not stars. So, when meteoroids burn up due to the friction of air, it forms a situation like shooting stars. So let me tell you guys about shooting stars. Is the fun fact about shooting stars is that shooting stars can be predicted. They can be predicted and they can be used to tell the future of our atmosphere, and we can imagine what possibilities might emerge from there. Now, अगर मेरी बात shooting stars की है, so then who will be next? Any guesses? Well, stars. Whether the thing we see at the morning, the big orange ball, to the tiny sparkling dots we see at night. What exactly are stars? To start another explanation, I would like to tell you guys about stellar science, which is a branch of anatomy telling the life cycle of stars, their life and death. So, when stars are made when gravity forms a spin, and in the inner core of the spin, when it reaches a point, the whole thing bursts out, forming a typical stable star. So, stars are not just tiny dots, they can make the elements of our body. In the simple words, I might like to understand that the elements used in a star are the same elements used in our body. And that is how the stars forming and makes a whole universe. So, I would like to tell you guys about when the next time you see any unusual miracle, make sure to admire it very dearly. Thank you.